I'm going to share with you guys the difference between this new AI software that you can use to make prank video calls on all platforms, the difference between that video call and Deepface Live and Roopcam and Deep Live Cam. All right, this new AI software is far more powerful and much realistic than Deepface, Roopcam, and Deep Live Cam. Okay, now let me tell you 6 to 7 different things that you need to note about this new video call software that is 100% realistic, more than Deepface, Deep Live Cam, Roopcam, and the rest. Now, the number one advantage this one has over Deepface, Roopcam, and Deep Live Cam is that this particular one doesn't run on GPU. Okay, it has nothing to do with your graphics card. Even if you don't have a gaming laptop, it can work on any laptop, any desktop, any computer. Once that computer can be able to browse the internet, is not dependent on GPU, graphics card memory. Whether your system has a NVIDIA or not, is going to work once your system can be able to browse. That is number one. Now, the number two reason why this is far much better than Deepface, Deep Live Cam, Roopcam, and all that is much more realistic, in the sense that when you're using Deepface or Deep Live Cam and other video call software, you will need a mask if you want your face to look completely white, like a white person. And when you wave, even after you're wearing mask, if you wave, your hands, your skin, on the skin on your hands will still show that you're a black person. If you're a black person and you want to prank people on live video call and pretend to be a white person, your skin will definitely show in Deepface, Deep Live, and Roopcam. But in this particular one, your skin turns to pure white. Okay, this software actually takes the skin texture on the picture. You don't need to start building hair to look like the person. Once you put that particular picture, the output is going to be the same skin, it's going to be the same hair style. Even if you turn left or right, it's going to be the same eye, it's going to be the same beard. So even if you don't have beard, or you have beard, or you tied your hair, or you're on skin and you're wondering how the video call is going to look exactly like this one, you don't need to worry. Exactly the same way it is in the picture is the same way the output is going to be. All right, the only thing it follows is just your body movements. All right, so that is for number two reason. Now, the number three reason is that you don't need to start changing clothes. Okay, the same clothes the picture is wearing is what is going to appear in the output. Okay, the software is going to fine-tune the clothes. Even if it's not, you did not put a full body picture, put a half body picture, the software, the AI, from the information you've given on the upper side of your body, is going to use it to build the entire part of your body in case you want to stand up. Now, the fourth reason, okay, is you can actually change background, but most people don't know how to do this. You can actually change background even if you don't want your background to show in the background in your room or in your office space to show. You want to put a picture or a video on your background for it to look as if you're in an office, or you're in a different country, or anywhere you want to look like. You want to look like as if you're in a particular place. Okay, you can actually change background in this particular one. Now, the number fifth reason, you can also use this particular video call to achieve WhatsApp full screen. As a method, you can use it to achieve WhatsApp full screen. You know, normally if you're calling with Wecam or Manecam or NDI or Split Cam, the ones that works on WhatsApp, if you're making call with these softwares that I mentioned now, you realize that the output is just by one side rectangle corner, just small rectangle corner on one side of your screen. It will not be like full screen. Okay, but with this software you can achieve full screen. Okay, on WhatsApp in particular, you can achieve full screen and it will look like as if you're calling with a phone. Now, sixth reason why this is far better than Deepface, Roopcam, Deep Live Cam is If you know how to do verification with this, you can bypass verification. If you know how to do verification, all right, you can use this particular software to do verification and bypass some website. If you actually know how to do verification, but if you don't know how to do it, it might not work for you. If you know how to do it, you can use it to bypass verification. But Deepface Live, Cam, and Deep Life, those ones they cannot bypass verification. All right, that is the number 6th reason. All right. Now the 7th reason, okay, why this is far better than any other video call software is because it works on all platforms: WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom, Google Meet, any platform at all. Skype, which is now Teams, etc., Viber, Signal, any platform. Okay, it works on all platforms. Okay, now let me add one more reason why this is far better than any other software, which is the 8th one. Okay, is because is a full body cam. So even while you're making call, you can decide to stand up and walk out. And when you stand up, the AI is going to organize your body with the clothes that the picture is wearing, and you will still wear the same. The output is going to still wear the same clothes. You can walk out and walk in, and you will still retain that same clothes. All right, it's full body. So you can work on all platforms. Doesn't use graphics card, can work on any kind of laptop. Don't need to fine-tune your skin or your hair or start thinking on how you can build hair or whatever. Okay, the same way it is in the picture is the same way the output is going to the same way it's going to come out in the output. It's internet based. It's not based on your graphics card. Okay, so whether you have NVIDIA or you don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, gaming laptop, your normal laptop, it can work on your normal laptop once you have a fast internet. All right, so but I just want to explain to you guys so that you guys will know how this particular software works. Okay, so if this video was helpful, like and make sure you follow for more tips like this.